Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on PC. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum specifications for a smooth experience. Next, acquire the game from a reputable digital store such as Battle.net or Steam. Once purchased, proceed with the installation, making sure you have ample disk space, typically around 175 gigabytes, available on your drive. This initial setup is crucial for diving into the action. Playing Call of Duty on PC offers unparalleled control precision. Begin by getting comfortable with the standard keyboard and mouse layout. For a truly personalized experience, dive into the settings and customize your keybinds. This can significantly enhance your reaction time and overall comfort. Don't forget to fine-tune your mouse sensitivity and acceleration to achieve that perfect aim, giving you a distinct advantage in firefights. Call of Duty offers a diverse range of game modes, each demanding different strategies. Experiment with classics like Team Deathmatch for pure combat or objective-focused modes such as Domination and Search and Destroy, which require careful team coordination. Mastering map layouts, effectively using cover, and understanding movement mechanics are vital. These tactical elements, combined with quick reflexes, will elevate your gameplay and lead to more victories. To maximize your Call of Duty experience, optimize your PC's performance. Adjust in-game graphics settings to find a sweet spot between visual fidelity and a high, stable frame rate, aiming for at least 60 frames per second. Regularly update your graphics drivers for peak efficiency. Finally, connect with the vibrant Call of Duty community. They offer invaluable tips, strategies, and opportunities to team up, enhancing your overall enjoyment and skill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.